What the heck is up with all these coding channels on YouTube? You got Clever Programmer, Joma Tech, Tech Lead, Free Code Camp, Code Drip, Traversy Media, Corey Schaefer, and the list just goes on. I believe what we discovered is the biggest opportunity that exists in 2020 and beyond. Coding is an extremely valuable skill, but what we discovered is by teaching it to other people, that is actually the biggest leverage, and it allows us to impact the most amount of people in this world. It has allowed me, a boy from Pakistan who has come from nothing, had nothing, and now I live in a $4.5 million mansion in the heart of Beverly Hills, and I have an amazing lifestyle. I'm surrounded by amazing friends, the love of my life. I'm going to be sharing with you all my secrets of how I went from 0 to 831,000 subscribers, how I went from 0 to 30 million views, how I went from 0 to over $2.6 million in the bank under the age of 26. What does this mean for you? Well, guess what? I have decided that I want to share all my secrets that I've learned from growing my own coding YouTube channel and share them with you to help you start your own brand as a developer. It's going to lead you to more opportunity, more income, and at the very worst case scenario, more job opportunities. This is something that I've never shared before, and no other developer who has a coding channel in the world has ever shared these secrets. I am so excited for you to learn them. So if you're excited and you want to learn all of these tips and tricks and explode your career, your job opportunity, your business opportunity that lies ahead of you as a developer, then guess what? It is time for you to click that button below and jump into this challenge.